More and more Idahoans in the Treasure Valley are being evicted from their homes. Jesse Tree is a nonprofit organization that works to prevent eviction and homelessness in the Treasure Valley. And Jesse Tree says they are seeing the highest number of weekly eviction court cases since the beginning of the pandemic. And it comes 2 weeks after the Supreme Court struck down the CDC's federal eviction moratorium. Our Andrew Bartline spoke with Jesse Tree today. Andrew, what concerns them the most about the increase of eviction cases?
Kim, Jesse Tree says there's always been a demand. They don't have enough resources to serve. So as they see the number of eviction court cases in Ada County and Canyon County double these past couple weeks, Jesse Tree's concerned some of these people will become homeless. This morning, Jesse Tree says they were involved with 15 eviction court cases. They were able to help 3 of them. Jesse Tree says that's pretty standard for them, and that's about a 20% success rate. But the people they can't help are in serious danger of becoming homeless once evicted, because with the current housing crisis in the Treasure Valley, there's not really anywhere else for them to go.
A lot of people at work don't have any safety net. A lot of folks are considered low income or extremely low income, and they're probably from families that are also low income and have that background, so they don't necessarily have somebody they can turn to who can just provide, $300.
That's Ali Rabe, that we just heard from. She's the executive director at Jesse Tree. She says once somebody gets their eviction on their record, homelessness is extremely difficult to avoid, especially right now. Because even if someone finds a new property to move to after their eviction, their applications often move to the bottom of the list because they have that previous eviction on their record. She recommends anyone having difficulty affording rent to have an open line of communication with their landlord. She also says many landlords that Jesse Tree works with respect honesty and are often willing to work with a struggling tenant who is upfront and honest with them. She also says people should contact Jesse Tree if they don't have that safety net and they are at risk of eviction, especially if they have a court date set. We'll have more information about resources throughout the Treasure Valley for people in danger of eviction on our website at ktvb.com.
Andrew, that's really important, and I'm glad you mentioned that. I didn't know that. It's like a scarlet letter on their file, their permanent record, if you will. And so we want to make sure that people get to these resources to try to avoid eviction if they can. So the next housing unit they try to go to, they're able to get in without that scarlet letter on their file.
Absolutely.
Yeah, Andrew, thank you for bringing that to our attention.